Undeclared work is really all work that is not declared to the public authorities. In Icelandic, we often refer to it as black work or black market work. In cases of undeclared work, the employer often pays the salary in cash and no taxes or other salary-related expenses are paid. Employers who prefer to pay employers in cash and who do not declare the work to the authorities, they usually do it to keep their costs down. Now, it is important to keep in mind that undeclared work does not benefit the workers. Undeclared work does not ensure you various rights that all workers should have, and that can really make a big difference if you suffer any setbacks or accidents. Undeclared work is harmful for workers and it undermines the rights that the labor movement has fought for throughout the years, as well as depriving society of taxes. Undeclared work can in some cases be a symptom of labor exploitation, and in fact it increases the risk of exploitation because the workers are hidden from the authorities. We have sometimes heard stories of applicants for international protection who are engaging in undeclared work while their application is being processed, and sometimes even continuing after they have been granted international protection. Sometimes people find it difficult to change paths once they have started, but it is important to know that if people work in the black market for a prolonged period, it has a harmful effect on their rights within the Icelandic society, and it is likely to significantly reduce their quality of life and that of their families. Undeclared work can exist in any profession, but it is especially common in sectors such as construction, cleaning, and restaurants. In cases of undeclared work, the employer often pays cash and no salary-related expenses, such as pension fund fees, insurance fees, union fees, and more. The worker does not get an employment contract and does not receive payslips. Undeclared work is harmful for society, but also for the worker. If you work undeclared work, you are not insured in case you are in a work-related accident. Undeclared work can also lead to working situations that violate the rights and the dignity of the worker. Sometimes undeclared work is a symptom of exploitation and it can increase the risk of exploitation. Exploitation at work is when, for example, the employer subjects the worker to very poor working conditions, often very much work, little pay, and sometimes threats are used to control the worker. If the worker is also working without a valid work permit in Iceland, the risk of exploitation is even greater, because the worker might be afraid to seek help from the authorities or the trade unions, even if their situation is very bad. Applicants for international protection are allowed to work legally under some circumstances, but they do need a special work permit. A good, serious employer can and should go through the application process and take care of the papers needed for the work to be done legally. If you believe that you are a victim of exploitation by your employer, you can always contact us at the Icelandic Confederation of Labour through our website, labour.is. This website includes information about your basic work rights in many languages, including English, Arabic, Spanish, Ukrainian, and Farsi. You can send us a message in any language, and if you leave an email address, we will respond to your message. We are not a government institution, and we will not take any action in your case without your permission, so you can feel secure in writing us a message with any questions or tips.